So what is this great big adventure? This wonderful life of yours? Your career, your family, your home, your furry and feathered friends,
Peeing, pooping, and smelling and staining.
Okay, sorry. It's time to take care of your big adventure with the finest, safest, most powerful green ingredients Mother Nature has to offer. Earth-friendly, bioenzymatic, scientifically engineered stain and odor eliminators. So easy to use, so safe, so quick, so permanent. You'll love your pets. You deserve the best. You deserve OdorPet for your great, big, wonderful adventure.
And the smell. Oh, don't you go there. No. Get out. Get out now.
OdorPet, the science of eliminating pet stains and odors naturally.